Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can reset voicemail on Android phones. Resetting voicemail on an Android phone involves a few steps depending on whether you are resetting the password, reconfiguring voicemail settings, or resetting the voicemail inbox. And this is a guide to do it. First, you can reset if you want to reset your voicemail password. So if you've forgotten your voicemail password, you need to contact your carrier. So most carriers allow you to reset your voicemail password via their app, website, or customer service. You can also use carrier's app or website. You can log in into your carrier account and navigate to voicemail settings to reset the password. You can also reset via dialer. So you can just dial your carrier's voicemail access number and follow the prompts to reset the password. But if you want to reset voicemail settings on your phone, you can just open the phone app. So tap on the phone icon and click on the three dots icon at the top. Go to the call settings, scroll down until you find voicemail. And in here, if you want to reconfigure voicemail settings, you can just update the voicemail number and turn on notification to ensure you receive voicemail alerts. If you want to clear the voicemail app data, you can just go to the settings on your phone and find apps. And in here, under the application, you can just click on see all apps and find the phone or maybe the voicemail app in here. Okay, this one, phone. Now you can just clear the cache or clear data and reopen the voicemail app, the phone app, and sign in if required. If you want to set up voicemail again, you can just dial your carrier's voicemail number and follow the prompts to set up your voicemail. You can record a new greeting and create a new voicemail pin. But you can also check for software updates. You can go to settings and software update and ensure your phone is running the latest version, as voicemail issues can sometimes be resolved through updates. If needed, you can also contact carrier support. Call your carrier's customer service for assistance, and they can reset your voicemail remotely or guide you through the process. That's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.